This video is only for people of culture and class. Meishua, the Chinese tech giant behind food delivery, has released this model which allows you to generate these talking avatars with speech. Not only that, but you can generate animations like these where you can have your own avatar. All it takes is an audio clip, optionally a reference image, and generates a talking avatar video that stays in sync with speech in couple of languages. In this video, we are going to install this locally and then we are going to check out how exactly this works. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. You can see that we have been covering this LongCat family for some time now and they have been evolving pretty nicely. So let's get this thing installed and we will also talk about its architecture and what exactly it entails. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I'm creating a virtual environment. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Let's go back to our terminal and let's git clone the repo, and I will also drop the link to this repo in video's description. And this repo contains assets and a lot of other things which you can readily use, so which is really good. It's a big repo, by the way. You can see that it is taking a bit of a time, and now you can install all the requirements from the root of the repo. And now we can run the Streamlit demo, which will run on our local host. It will also download the models, and the models are now being downloaded. While it downloads, let's talk more around the architecture of this model and how exactly it is working under the hood. So under the hood, the model is built on their LongCat video foundation model and uses a diffusion based architecture, which we already have covered. The big upgrade in this is swapping out the older Wave 2 Vector 2 audio encoder for Whisper Large, which is why the lip sync looks noticeably smoother. To keep inference fast, they also applied DMD2 based step distillation, cutting generation down to just 8 steps without sacrificing too much quality. There are three core tasks it supports: generating video from audio and text alone, generating from audio plus a reference image, and continuing an existing video segment. Also, it covers a full range you would expect from a production tool like single person, multi person conversation, anime character, animals, and even complex scenes like someone handling objects while talking. The MRT license means you can actually build it with commercially, which immediately separates it out from a lot of closed alternative in the space. And we will also try out few things here. And the model has given me out of memory error here, so it means that it cannot really fit onto my 48 GB of VRAM. Let me upgrade it to 80 GB of VRAM. Again, if you want to do the same, you don't have to buy any GPU. I am repeating, you don't have to buy any GPU. Just rent it for cents for 50% discount as I'm doing right now. So, and it costs around 30 cents per hour, which should be more than enough to play around with this model. So let me quickly upgrade it and then we will meet there. And now the model is running, as you can see here. Let me quickly show you my VRAM consumption. So this is my NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM, and at the moment it is consuming just over 30 gig of VRAM, as only the model is loaded, not the V or text encoder. But when it is fully loaded, it consumes way more than 30 gig, and I will show you later as we test it out. Anyway, let's now open it in our browser. And this is what the interface looks like. Let me upload an reference image, some driving audio, and we will see the output. I have uploaded my own image here, and then this is audio from their own repo. I'll play it.
Hello there. You can now generate expressive talking avatar videos from one image and a matching voice.
Right, so it's a different voice. And then this is a prompt, a photorealistic person and all that stuff, realistic facial expression, some resolution, and then I have clicked on generate. Let's wait for it to come back. Maybe meanwhile I will also quickly show you the VRAM consumption. Only if I could just go to that screen. Just bear with me. There you go. So you see, it is now consuming over 54 gig of VRAM because all the text encoder, variation autoencoder, and auxiliary models are now loaded. So let's see what it generates now. And because of KV cache, this might increase too. And let me play this.
Hello there. You can now generate expressive talking avatar videos from one image and a matching voice.
It doesn't look natural at all, but a huge improvement from the previous version. Let me play it again.
Hello there. You can now generate expressive talking avatar videos from one image and a matching voice.
So the image and lip sync is quite good, but looks unrealistic, of course, when the lips open and close. But the eyebrow movement is quite nice and quite better. Okay, now this is one of the most impressive ones, I believe. So I just generated this anime image on the left hand side. This is my own character, which I normally use with the Comfy UI videos. And this is the audio clip again, an AI generated one, just as a sample, and then description of the prompt. Let me play the audio clip.
Hey everyone, get membership to Fahad's channel and smash that like button right now.
Right, and then so I have provided the model this image, left hand side audio, and this prompt. Let me play the result.
Hey everyone, get membership to Fahad's channel and smash that like button right now.
Now focus on the eye movement and the lip movement.
Hey everyone, get membership to Fahad's channel and smash that like button right now.
Much better. So I think anime works so good because it's already not human image, right? So I think if you're looking to have some private conversation, let's say, with an anime image for role play or something like that, in a lot of tooling which we have covered on the channel too, I think this one has improved a lot, and you won't believe there is such a high market for this if you're looking to build a tool or a startup around this. And by the way, you guys don't listen to me, at least listen to her, and who could say no to this face?
Hey everyone, get membership to Fahad's channel and smash that like button right now.
And finally, check this one out. On the left hand side, I have provided it my own image, again an AI generated one, of course. And then I have provided it again an AI generated music, just an Afrobeat, and then simple prompt, a photorealistic person singing and dancing in slow motion. Let me play the slow motion. Not there yet, but maybe someday. Now, do you recognize this scene? 10 marks if you could guess which movie is that. Anyway, I believe Misha has done very well in this next version, and you can imagine that going forward in future version, this is just going to improve and improve in terms of more human realism plus more longer videos. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Please follow me on X too. Thank you for all the support.